Today we are at the University of Fort Hare, where we've invited students, the community, stakeholders and partners of the university to come together to commemorate and also push for creating awareness and also strengthening the mechanism for prevention of gender-based violence. And this year the theme is Unite to End Digital Gender-Based Violence Against Women and Children. These are our victims for femicide who were lost through gender-based violence. We are not only calling for action, we are also remembering the victims of femicide who we lost within the University of Fort Hare. So that remembrance makes us to take a stand and pause and ask ourselves, are we in the right direction?
The tree of renewal and hope.
Amandla!
As the university, we felt that we should collaborate with the national activists in terms of declaring no violence against women and children. And at the university, we are endeavoring to make sure that the campus is safe for women specifically, and also for women to be able to exercise their freedom of studying without any fear, and also just existing on campus without being scared.
What have we done?
It was so emotional. The turnout of students, specifically of staff, but particularly students, the messages that were given, the support from the higher, from the executive was amazing. But the personal stories, that's what brought tears to my eyes. It hit home. It hit home. And I could not think of a better way to remember them.
We are saying as a university, let's renew hope. Let's renew hope for women and children. We have done that by developing policies that will ensure that any culprits at the university, they'll be dealt with accordingly. And today as a university as well, we wanted to assure a female student on campus to say it is safe to be at the University of Fort Hare. It is safe to study at the University of Fort Hare. It is safe to do sports at the University of Fort Hare. Pansy with GBV Pansy. Today we are saying we are not tolerating any GBV on campus.